If you are looking for an affordable yet feature-packed keyboard, the RockJam 61-key keyboard piano might be a perfect choice. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Designed with beginners and hobbyists in mind, this keyboard offers a traditional piano feel with modern digital features. It comes as a super kit, including a stand, bench, and other essentials, making it a great all-in-one package for aspiring musicians. Key features and specifications. The RockJam 5061 digital keyboard has 61 full-size keys, giving players a familiar piano playing experience while maintaining a compact and portable design. The keyboard can be powered through a mains adapter, included, or batteries, making it a convenient option for those who may want to practice on the go. One of the highlights of this keyboard is its LED display panel, which allows users to easily navigate through its functions. It comes with 200 rhythms, 200 tones, 30 demo songs, and a teaching function, helping beginners learn to play quickly. The record and playback function is another great addition, allowing musicians to layer sounds and track their progress. Additionally, the keyboard has an AUX input, enabling users to connect their device and play along with their favorite songs. The sturdy keyboard stand is adjustable, making it suitable for players of different heights, and the padded bench ensures comfort during long practice sessions. Performance and user experience. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 44,000 global reviews, the RockJam 61-key keyboard has been well received by customers. Many users appreciate its sturdy design, ease of use, and value for money. Parents have especially praised it as a great option for their children to start learning piano. One of the standout aspects of this keyboard is its variety of tones and rhythms, which allow for experimentation and creativity. The teaching function is particularly useful for beginners, providing an interactive way to learn and improve their skills. However, some users have mentioned concerns regarding the keyboard's sound quality and functionality. While it offers a wide range of features, it may not have the same depth of sound as higher-end digital pianos. Some customers also noted that the stand could be more stable, especially for younger players who may move around a lot during practice. Customer feedback highlights. Heavy checkmark. Great for beginners. Many parents have mentioned that their kids have spent hours learning new songs on this keyboard. The included headphones and key labels make it easier for beginners to start playing right away. Heavy checkmark. Easy to assemble. Customers found it simple to set up and appreciated the included accessories like the piano bench and stand. Heavy checkmark. Affordable and feature-rich. Users have praised the variety of tones and rhythms, along with the recording function that allows them to track progress. Crossmark. Sound quality could be better. Some experienced players felt that the sound lacks depth compared to more expensive keyboards. Crossmark. Stability of the stand. While sturdy, a few users have suggested that the stand could be more stable, particularly for energetic young players. Final verdict. Should you buy it? For just $109.99, the RockJam 61-key keyboard piano is a fantastic deal, especially for beginners and young musicians. It comes with a complete package, including a stand, bench, and power adapter, making it a convenient and budget-friendly choice. While it may not match the sound quality of professional keyboards, it offers a wide range of features that make learning fun and interactive. If you are looking for an affordable way to introduce yourself or your child to piano playing, this is an excellent option. Pushpin. Want a discount? Check out our video description box for an exclusive deal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and updates.